And good day, folks. Welcome in. We have a new tornado warning in Harlan County, Kentucky. So here, stick with us here. This is a tornado warning for Harlan County in southeast Kentucky. This tornado warning will go until 2:15 this evening for the potential of a tornado in Harlan County, bordering the Virginia border. This does not include the city of Harlan. This does include parts of Bell County as well. So if you have family, if you have friends in Bell County, well, at eastern Bell County, north of the Middlesboro area, I want to alert them that there's a potential tornado and heading their way, and then our followers and our coverage area in Harlan County. I want to alert you folks the potential possible tornado heading your way here as we are getting set here for coverage. It's a small little cell that'll head toward the city of Harlan and eventually toward the Everett area, and will stay west of Lee County in southwest Virginia. But a tornado warning for Harlan County right now. And I do want to note, as we go to our tornado safety, a tornado watch has just been issued for the entirety of the coverage areas here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop up this tornado watch that has just been issued. It's for everyone. If you're in the Appalachian Highlands weather coverage area, you're in it, and it's for most of East Tennessee with the exception of just a few counties. So, again, tornado watch, tornado warning is also in effect, and severe thunderstorm warning. So, here's our watch warning map. We'll take you back to that real quick. Chattanooga's in it. The only counties not in it would be Marion and Sequatchie counties. But the rest of the areas are in it until 8 o'clock tonight. Knoxville at 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central. This includes Crossville, Knoxville, Bristol, Abingdon, Kingsport, Johnson City, Big Stone Gap, over to Marion, over to Harlan, over to Boone. Everyone in a tornado watch, so conditions are favorable for tornadoes. A watch means that conditions are favorable. A warning means it's happening now. And, well, that's what a warning means for the folks in Path Fork and in Harlan County. In Harlan County, Kentucky, as a tornado is heading your way, the tornado warning in effect now until 2:15. This tornado, potential tornado in Harlan County is moving to the northeast at 30 miles an hour. And this rotation, I'll be honest with you, is pretty broad here. I'm going to track the storm off to the north and east at about 30 miles an hour. I'll track it toward the Everett area. And I'll enter our speed calculation in here as it crosses into Harlan County, and it'll be Alva in 6 minutes, Yancey in about 18 minutes, Elkhorn in 22 minutes, Harlan Gas in 25 minutes, Ray in 34 minutes, Woods in 38 minutes. And that's where that possible tornado could be heading toward. A tornado warning for Harlan County until 2:15 on this Friday afternoon, as we do have that tornado warning in effect in eastern Kentucky, far eastern Kentucky, Harlan and Bell County. I'm looking at two different radar sites, the one in Morristown and the one in Jackson. And the storm looking relatively weaker than what it was when it was back in Claiborne County and over other parts of Bell County. But again, they issued the new tornado warning, so we obviously need to be here to watch these. We're also going to focus down on some of our East Tennessee areas toward Wildwood, Blount, Knox, severe counties. Severe thunderstorm warning until 2:15. And then a new severe thunderstorm warning was just issued for parts of Granger, Hamlin, Jefferson, Knox, Union until 2:30. The one until 2:15 down here in Blount County, going to clip parts of Knox and Sevier County, does have a tornado possible tag on it. But the rotation, I'm not really seeing much rotation in that cell. Some strong winds possible toward Lane and Luttrell. Going to head toward the Rutledge, eventually possibly into the Morristown area. And then again, our tornado warning for our radar indicated tornado near Path Fork, moving on to the north and east toward Yancey, Kentucky, Harlan, Kentucky, Kaywood, Kentucky, and eventually toward the Everett area if this storm holds itself together. So again, that is a tornado warning that needs to be monitored. If you're in this area, make sure we have this. We have our safe place. We're in our safe place. If you're in this area, it's the lowest for your home, interior room, away from windows. So again, we are now seeing the tornado watch as well. I'm going to pop that back up here on the screen for our viewing area. That's a tornado watch. Let me get this plugged up here, and then I'll pop that watch on the screen for us. Here it is. All right, so that's our watch warning map. That's a tornado watch that you see for the areas in red, the county shaded in red. That includes all of southwest Virginia, all of western North Carolina, all of eastern Kentucky, and the majority of East Tennessee with the exception of Marion and Sequatchie counties. So that's a lot of area and a lot of real estate in a tornado watch. It extends back toward the Charlotte metro. So we'll watch that closely down into Georgia as well. So big tornado watch there. But again, the storm heading toward Tetersville and Yancey in Kentucky and Harlan County, rural areas of the county, could eventually approach Harlan and Everett. And that's why we're watching the potential of an isolated quick tornado within there. So again, here we'll double box this for a little bit. The tornado safety: when a tornado warning is issued, you go to that basement or interior room away from windows. And we have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Marion and Sequatchie counties in East Tennessee with a tornado possible tag. All right, we'll keep that tornado safety up. But this storm down here in Marion and Sequatchie counties, we now have to watch. Let me pop up our radar here. This one's taking a little bit to load. Going down to the Huntsville radar. So this warning here will include areas if you're in Dunlap, you'll be in this new warning. Okay, so Dunlap and Whitwell, yeah, that's a tiny little supercell thunderstorm developing here. For the area, even the areas outside the tornado watch here, getting on a little bit of severe weather action. And a little bit of broad rotation down in here with that, so we'll watch it closely. I got the tornado possible tag on that severe thunderstorm warning. We're hoping not to be here too long. We're hoping that they'll end up canceling this tornado warning for this broad rotation in Harlan County. Then we'll get off your feed, hopefully for a while here until we can get to our actual studio. But again, I just wanting to come on here to alert you to this potential of a tornado. It's a radar indicated tornado within this. No confirmed reports of a tornado on the ground, but still the chance of that tornado. We'll take this back full. Let you see it full screen here on the Skywatch Defender Radar Network. If you're just joining us, we have a tornado warning for Harlan County in Kentucky here until 2:15. So just for the next little bit, that storm there in Harlan County, we'll be watching for the potential of that tornado. Watching things closely, it looks like the Weather Service offices here. What's going on here? They're toning out the tornado watches on the weather radios right now. So anyone in most of our viewing area, and actually all the viewing areas, probably have now got the tornado watch, unless you're in Marion or Sequatchie counties. But you have a severe thunderstorm warning right now and a tornado possible tag on that warning. So we'll watch that closely for you. I'm watching the storm near Athens. It's showing some strengthening signs of rotation north of Athens. This will head toward the Sweetwater area. We'll watch that storm closely and watch the storm down here heading toward Whitwell and Dunlap in parts of southeastern Tennessee. We'll watch that storm very closely here. We'll head back up here to Harlan County though, and they are about to discontinue this tornado warning, I do believe. They have issued a strong thunderstorm alert for Harlan, East Central Bell, and southeastern Leslie. And it is for this storm, so what this tells me is they're going to end up canceling this tornado warning. Okay. And then they'll issue the strong thunderstorm alert that's been issued. So what we're going to do here, while this rotation is pretty broad here, we're going to stick with this for probably another 2 radar scans. Then make sure this doesn't tighten back up. Then we'll get off once again. Hopefully, we'll be off for a little longer this time. A new severe thunderstorm warning for Blount, Knox, Loudoun, Monroe, and Roane counties until 2:45. A tornado possible tag on this one. This is the storm that I was watching and told you about near Athens. This is the storm that we need to be. Actually, this might not be that storm. I do believe it is. Yes, the tornado warning has just been canceled. So what we're going to do, we're going to send you a program. We're going to send you. We're going to get off here in just a moment. The tornado warning for Harlan County is gone. If you're in Harlan County and get out of that tornado safe place, just want to touch on the storms that are severe thunderstorm warning in East Tennessee, severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible attack, Sequatchie, Marion counties. Another one for Blount County, Sevier County, Knox County. Another one for part of. This one is for Granger, Hamlin, Jefferson, Knox, Union County. Some gusty winds with that. Not a tornado possible tag on that one. Still need to watch out in case that strengthens. And the new warning for Blount, Knox, Loudoun, Monroe, and Roane until 2:45. So we got to watch all these closely today, guys. If they start to rotate, we'll be right back with you. But again, tornado watch now in effect for the entirety of the viewing areas, with the exception of Marion and Sequatchie counties, but those two counties need to watch out as well. That tornado watch goes until 8 o'clock tonight, so a few tornadoes could be possible. Isolated hail up to ping pong ball size and scattered gusts up to 70 miles an hour. We'll continue to keep you updated on that. A lot of school schedule changes as well, especially northeast Tennessee. Johnson County about to dismiss now, so but yeah, that's all we have for you right now. Again, the tornado warning's been canceled, so what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go off here the air once again. If we have to come back, we'll let you know. There's that new severe thunderstorm warning: Sweetwater, Philadelphia, Loudon, Lenore City, Farragut, all in that one. If we have another tornado warning, we'll be right back with you. For now, though, this has been Skywatch Media Severe Weather Alert. We'll get off your feed here, and we'll be back as needed.